Thanks for stopping by MrGoodBody.com. What we have for sale today is a 2007 Pontiac G6. It's a beautiful car. Two-door coupe, jet black, 18-inch wheels. Beautiful paint job. Power everything. Sunroof. And as you can see, this is the only corner that's got damage. There's just a little bump on the passenger side rear bumper. Rubber's good. Alignment's a little out. The hood is still good. Needs a fender. I have some of the parts for this, and we've fixed a couple of these G6s. They're beautiful cars. The airbags did deploy. As you can see, when you shut the door, the window rolls right back up. You hit the handle, it rolls down. As you can see, the airbags did deploy. But it's a beautiful car. It has 29,000 miles on it. It starts and runs and drives. There's the miles. It's fully loaded. All the options. A beautiful leather interior. Heated seats, and it's, as you can see, it's in super clean condition. CD player works. So if you're interested in this, just give us a call. I'm Dave. Our number is 607-661-3495. Thanks for stopping by.